Now children, let's today start with chapter number 16, national symbol. So Bharat, it is an independent country. After independence, Bharat has adopted national symbol. And these symbols are for freedom and unity. The national flag, national emblem, national anthem, national animal, national bird, and national flag. They are such symbol of the country. Being true Indians, we must always respect it. National flag, it is rectangular tricolor flag. It has three colors, saffron, white and green. They have different specific meanings. Saffron at the top stands for sacrifice and courage. White in the middle stands for purity, peace and truth. And dark green at the bottom stands for prosperity. The navy chakra is at the center. इसमें 24 spokes होते हैं. 24 spokes होते हैं. This is this Dham Chakra or the wheel of love. Right, was the first used by Ashok the Great. The chakra stand for motion and progress. The spokes represent number of hours. 24 hours रहेगा तो वो ही 24 hours को वो दिखाता. Our national flag is hosted on national festival. We must follow certain rules with regard to national flag. National flag should always flutter at the top of the mast. It should be hosted from sunrise to sunset, lowered after sunset. Saffron band top to होना चाहिए, white beach to होना चाहिए, green नीचे होना चाहिए. It must be on the right shoulder of the leading person. किसने अडॉप्ट करा था? कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट भारत ने. कब अडॉप्ट करा था नेशनल फ्लैग को? 22 जुलाई 1947. We must host our dirty or we must not host dirty or torn flag. Whenever national flag is being hosted, we must stand in attention. Tiranga, it is sacred to us and we must always show respect to it. Now, national emblem. Our national emblem is the official seal of the government of the Bharat. It represents authority of the nation. One can find it to the government documents. Government documents को ना चाहिए coins पे, currency notes पे, letters पे, envelope. The national emblem of Bharat shows three visible lines. Fourth is hidden. आप किधर भी साइड से देखो कि फोर्थ वन जो होगा वो हिडन होगा. अगर बेस में आपको देखेगा हॉर्स और एक बुल. There is a wheel between the bull and horse and the same wheel is seen on national flag. The word Satyam is written on the wheel. This का मतलब होता है truth always trump. These words are written in Devanagari script. कौन सी स्क्रिप्ट में लिखा है? देवनागरी में. Taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Our national emblem has been taken from lion capital pillar erected by King Ashok. The great in Sarnath here in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. 4 lions are the guardian of our 4 directions. They stand for courage and power. The horse stands for energy and speed. The bull stands for hard work, and these qualities are accepted among all units. National anthem. Every free country has a national anthem. Our national anthem, Jan Gan Man, is written by great poet and writer Rabindranath Tagore. It is a song in praise of beautiful country. We sing or hear it being played, and we must stand in attention. आपको attention में खड़ा होगा है. National animal, that is Royal Bengal tiger. Bird is peacock and flower is lotus. Right? So आपका बंगाल टाइगर वो स्ट्रेंथ और ब्रेवरी को दिखाता है. वहीं अगर हम पिकॉक की बात करें, ब्यूटी, ग्रेस और जॉय को दिखाता है. नेशनल फ्लावर लोटस, वो किसको बताता है? ट्रुथ, नॉलेज और वेल्थ. And national symbol represent ideals of our country. We should respect and love all these nations. Singing time of full version of national anthem is 52 seconds. Project Tiger was launched by the government of Bharat in 1972. Why? To save time. Right? This is all in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.